Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope that you're having a wonderful day and that you're doing well. In today's video, I'm excited to share a preview of the August release from OHM Beads. If you guys did not know, OHM is celebrating their 15th anniversary this month, which is so exciting. And some of the beads in this release will be celebrating, kind of commemorating this wonderful, amazing accomplishment. I'm so excited to be sharing a preview of these beads with you. And a huge thank you to OHM Beads for gifting me these beads to review and style with, as well as to this community, as I would not have these opportunities without each and every one of you. So thank you so much. Here's a quick look at the beads I'm going to be previewing. So if you are ready, make sure to grab a delicious cup of tea or your choice of beverage. I'm going to be enjoying some peppermint tea from Twinings tea today. It's been a really busy past month, you guys. I have a big move coming up and peppermint tea is a nice tea to kind of unwind, de-stress, and play with some beads, bead therapy time. So I'm very excited. Let me know what you're drinking down below. And without further ado, virtual cheers, and let's get started with today's video. As soon as I opened this box, I could smell the essential oil they used, which was pine, and I love the pine scent. I love like going out in nature, going on hikes, and that pine smell was just so de-stressing for me. It was so calming. I love that they put that in here. It smells so good. They also included some adorable and fun, cool stickers, which you can see right here. So fun to have that little extra little fun thing in the box, which is really neat. And now we're going to open up the first bead in the collection. So we have a new addition to the space collection for the planets. It is called Neptune Naiad, and it is also a dangle like the other planets we've been seeing, and it is so beautifully detailed. Let me read to you what OHM Beads has to say about this bead. Neptune, the 8th planet in our solar system, holds a significant place in astrology and studies. Its ethereal nature gives rise to a multitude of interpretations and beliefs regarding its properties and influences on human beings. Often associated with dreams, spirituality, and illusions, Neptune is said to wield both positive and challenging effects on individuals. However, Neptune can also oppose challenges. The dreamlike and illusionary nature of Neptune can lead to escapism, delusion, and a tendency to avoid facing reality. Neptune invites us to develop grounding practices, maintain clarity of thought, and stay connected with practical aspects of life. Neptune fosters a sense of unity and encourages you to connect with the collective consciousness. Embody Neptune, embrace compassion, unconditional love, and empathy for others. Moving to the next OHM Beads box, I'm going to be sharing with you the new glass beads that we'll be releasing on August 1st. I'm going to be sharing 5 of the glass beads, but there's 9 in total, so definitely check out the other previews going on to see those glass beads as well. Now these are just stunning. They are so gorgeous. They're done in more of a square shape, and they're kind of mini. They're so pretty, very celebratory as well for OHM Beads anniversary. Now, I'm showing 4 of these now, but there is a 5th one I'm going to be sharing in just a minute. But the name of these different glass beads are called Be Wiggly, Be Flaky, Be Scattered, Be Crossed, and Be Stripey. And they're beautiful. They have like this lovely kind of silver, champagne-y, kind of golden, off-white color to them. They are so gorgeous. Here's what OHM Beads has to say about these glass beads. Join OHM in toasting 15 years of success, innovation, and an exciting future. Discovers the collection's enchanting designs inspired by the beautiful imperfections of life and make your journey more vibrant with OHM. The phrases can be understood as metaphors for expressing one's unique qualities, emotions, and movements without conforming to societal expectations. The messages encourage people to love and accept their bodies, observe and engage with their emotions, not be burdened by past promises, and embrace the freedom to change and move in their own way. Be you, be OHM. These glass beads retail for $50 USD each, and they are so gorgeous. Stay tuned near the end of the video. I'm going to share a bracelet design that I did with them. They're so sparkly, and I love the colors. I love like metallics and neutral colors, and these are just so pretty. You could just do so many different designs with these. They're wonderful for kind of end of summer, moving into fall as well. I think they work for like variety of different seasons too. And they're so pretty, and I just love the shape. It's also really nice that they're a little bit on the smaller size compared to other glass beads because they work for like kind of more mini designs too, and they are just so pretty. So here's a look at them all together because I had showed the 4 briefly, but here's the 5th one added on. Now let's move into the next box, which is some silver beads from OHM Beads that are going to be releasing. 3 of the beads in here are from the Space collection. You already saw one of them, which was the Neptune one. And there's also a couple other ones that I won't be previewing, but we do have a new Luna 3.0 coming up, which is really, really amazing as well. Really wants us to let our dreams take flight and to use our imaginations to soar with Ohm's cosmic creations. The first bead you're seeing here is called Atomic 2.0. Here's what Beads has to say about this updated design. Separateness is merely an illusion. At our core, we are all interconnected and made from the same essence, the same stardust. The next bead I have to share with you is called OHM Spacey, and it is so beautiful. I'm debating about getting a second bead of this. It is lovely. Here's what Beads has to say about this bead. When you wish upon a star, OHM Spacey symbolizes eternity, incorporating the infinity symbol, evoking thoughts of the cosmos. Let it serve as a reminder that the wonders of space are boundless and that our existence is but a small part of a greater whole. We are both humbled by the vastness of the universe and empowered by the realization that we are all connected to this cosmic web. In this cycle of wishes and promises, we find reflections of our deepest aspirations and commitments. Just as shooting stars grant us the opportunity to make wishes, our desires and dreams are intertwined with the very fabric of the cosmos. Like promises made under a starlit sky, they possess the power to shape our destinies. Each wish and promise sends ripples through the universe, resonating with the cosmic forces that guide our journey. The next bead is called Meteor Shower, and it is so gorgeous. I can't even tell you which one I love more out of these two. They're so gorgeous. And here is what Beads has to say about this beautiful star-themed bead. Make a wish and place it in your heart. Anything you want, everything you want. Do you have it? Good. Now believe it can come true. You never know where the next miracle is going to come from. The next memory, the next smile, and the next wish come true. But if you believe that it's right around the corner and you open your heart and mind to the possibility of it, to the certainty of it, you just might get the thing you're wishing for. The world is full of magic. You just have to believe in it. So make your wish. Do you have it? Good. Now believe with all your heart. The last bead I have to share with you is called Red Velvet, and oh my goodness, that makes me want a piece of cake. That sounds delicious. Now here's what Beads has to say about this heart-shaped bead. As we celebrate our 15th ohmiversary, we extend our deepest gratitude to all of the ohmily who have stood with us, believing in the vision of Ohm and supporting our messy endeavors. Red Velvet celebrates this appreciation, a symbol of the rich relationships we have cultivated and the lasting impact we strive to make. A splendid enamel heart with the smooth richness of red velvet, this piece symbolizes the depth of our sweetness of our journey over the past 15 years. And the last two items I received are 2 end caps for the OHM Bangle. Unfortunately, I don't have an OHM Bangle yet. It is on my wish list, and now these are gonna like extra encourage me to get an OHM Bangle because they're gorgeous, they're beautiful. And these 2 end caps are the lapis and champagne, I believe, and they are gorgeous. I love how they sparkle and catch the light, so this is like majorly tempting me now. So that OHM Bangle on my wish list might have to become a reality at some point soon. But anyway, you guys, that is a whole look at some of the beads, I should say, releasing from Beads coming out on August 1st. Here's a bracelet design I came up with, a little charm bracelet design incorporating actually quite a few of the beads from the new collection. So you can see I added some of the space beads as well as the gorgeous glass beads. I used them all. They're so pretty. Like I said, I feel like this is such a great bracelet you can wear like year round with the colors because kind of more neutral metallics, and they're just so, so pretty. I also love the meanings behind each of them, and when you guys get a chance, definitely read the full description of all these beads. I love the thought Beads puts into their designs and the meanings behind them. They're so inspiring. I also love these colors too because I think that'd also be fun for a New Year's bracelet theme. What do you guys think? I think I'm gonna do a New Year's inspired look closer to December. But anyway, you guys, that is it for today's Beads preview for August. All these beads are gonna be launching on August 1st. I'd love to know if any of the beads are on your wish list, going on your wish list. What are your favorites? Please let me know down below. Feel free to use my own ambassador code Emily in all capital letters to save 22% off OHM Beads nature and flower themed beads. Anyway, you guys, I'm wishing you a magical, wonderful rest of your day. Take care, and I'll see you in my next video. Goodbye for now.